Honestly, you've added so much curb appeal to this house, and the windows let sunshine into the space.
Well, those are frosted windows. We also have a dark tint. We also have a clear. We have multiple inserts that can go in there to change the style of it. The door options are almost unlimited.
Well, ultimately, you're making me look good, but I want to give you a tour of the house. Come back in. Let's hear how quiet this garage door is. See, it's so quiet. It's not like that at my house. I need to get an Amarr door.